Hi, my name is Kelly Hayes, and I am so excited to be a finalist in the Johnny Appleseed Organic Invitational. I live in Cullman, Alabama, where I am a second grade school teacher, and I'm also our faculty head of our outdoor learning classroom. I'm married to my husband Jonathan. We've been married for 23 years, and I have two children, Asa, who is 16, and Evie, who is 11. I can vividly remember reading my first book on nutrition when I was 12 years old. And from then on, I was passionate about learning how to grow my own fruits, vegetables, and herbs organically because I knew that would be the best way that I could ensure I could get the best nutrition for myself and my family. I've been organically gardening, cooking, and composting for almost 25 years. Early on in my gardening experience, I realized how important it was to nourish the soil. And in return, I noticed that the garden nourished me as well, and not only physically, but emotionally and spiritually also. I'm always learning and continually fascinated by God's perfect design and creation. I hope to win the contest so I can help be a voice in a movement to reconnect children with nature, to teach the value of growing one's own food organically, and to help people experience all that a garden can offer. My favorite author, Beatrix Potter, once said, "If I have done anything, even a little bit of good, to help children understand honest and simple pleasures in life, then I have done a bit of good."